Simplify this index problem. Okay, we have GH3 power of 2. We use this rule, AM power of n times. So we have here G1, 1 times 2 is G2, H is power of 6. Divide, times you write GH, and the divide here you just write down for your denominator. Then what we do here, we combine the G and G, times you plus, divide you minus. So we have G2, this is 1 plus 1 minus 4. The H, we have H also 1, so 6 plus 1 minus negative 3. So therefore we have here 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 4 is G negative 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is H power of 10. So this G negative 1, we follow this rule over here, we bring it down. So we get here H power of 10 over G. Short video of mine. See you next time. Bye bye.